Okay. Hi guys, how are you? This is Nahum from Nambing Fashion. Today I came to introduce the 2020 design from our company. So let me give you short information about our company. We are the top manufacturer on Alibaba and in China. We are located in Shenzhen City. So we have an experience more than 7 years. So we are an expert on Westerners. So if you guys have any questions of starting Westerner business, or maybe you don't know about Westerners, so give us a comment and we'll get back to you. So today we are introducing our 2020 design, which is the three belt Westerner. So as you guys can see, this is the three belt Westerner, and it's trending on 2020 this year, and our customers have loved our product. So as you guys can see, we have hooks with the belt and zipper with the belt. So let me give you more details of the difference between these two materials. So this material is a latex material. The latex material is a 2020 material, and most people are used to the neoprene material. So what's the difference between these two materials? Both of them, they are good quality, but they have their own difference. The neoprene material is good for people who wants to lose more calories, and it really helps us to sweat a lot. So if you sweat a lot, that means you're going to lose more calories. So if for people who wants to lose more calories and wants to lose more weight, we guys recommend you the neoprene material. But the latex material helps you to lose weight, but the difference is if you want to use the waist trainer for a long time, we recommend you guys to use the latex material, because when it stretches, it re-stretches back soon or fast. But the neoprene, I'm afraid to say, like if it's stretched, it doesn't restore back like the latex material. So the neoprene material, you can use it for a short time, but if it's very efficient. But the latex material, it takes time, but it's still efficient and more expensive than the neoprene material, because it has three materials. The latex material, we have three materials, which is the first layer is 96% nylon and 4% spandex. The second one is natural 100% latex, and the third lining, an extra, which makes us unique than other manufacturers. We have a third lining layer, which is called 96% cotton and 4% spandex. So for people who are allergic to Westerner, because most of the Westerners before 2020 latex material, most of the people, you were supposed to put some clothes underneath of the Westerner, because some people are allergic to the Westerner. But this that's why we added the third lining layer for people who are allergic to the Westerner. Now your problem has been solved, because you can wear the Westerner without any other clothes underneath. So I think it's a very important thing, because all of the times we want to solve our customers' problem. So the hooks, let me tell you about the hooks. We are one of the few companies who puts double stitchings on the hooks. This double stitch really helps the hooks to get strong. So you can use the waist trainer for a long time and the hooks won't fall. And when you hook it up, it will attach when you hook it up together, it's very strong, so it stitches with the hooks. The stitch really helps the hooks to be so strong, and you might not get problems when you hook it up. And the other thing is the steel bonds. Most factories, when they manufacture the waist trainer, they use 6, but we usually use 9, and this makes us unique too. Let me tell you more about steel bonds. Steel bonds are the materials which helps our waist, or it's the steel bond which makes the waist trainer more flexible and more protection. Like it gives more protection for our waist. So the more steel bond, that means more comfortable and more protection for our waist. So this is about our company. If you guys want to, this is a Kent design, and this is the camouflage design. So if you guys want more designs or more colors, you can give us or send us an inquiry. I'll attach our company's website down below. So don't forget to give us a subscribe. And if you have any suggestion, give us a comment on the comment box below, and give us a thumb up because it really helps us. And if you have any questions, be free to ask us. And the other thing is, the very important things is about the zipper. The zipper one is the YKK zipper. The YKK zipper is the strongest and the expensive zipper so far in 2020. You guys can check it out. And we imported from Japan because it's manufactured in Japan, because our culture is quality. And we want our customers to be satisfied, because our salary is the satisfaction of customers. So this is all about tree belts. And stay tuned, guys. We're going to upload more videos on our 2020 products. So stay tuned, guys. We have more products to come to bring and show you guys. So for now, thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you soon.